Cutting Edge Yard Service is pleased to announce the arrival of a premium lawn care mowing service for local customers. This new premium service is based upon not using large riding or standing mowing equipment on your property. Instead, only push mowers and handheld equipment like string trimmers, edgers, and blowers will be used. This is definitely beneficial for those yards that sometimes stay wet from spring rain, or those properties that are low-lying or don't drain properly. We understand that tire tracks on a yard or commercial property from heavy mowing machinery are not desirable and certainly are cosmetically unappealing. In addition, we know that lawns that are groomed only with push mowers just look better. This premium mowing service is available at a slightly upcharged price over our traditional mowing service and is available on lot sizes of 10,000 square feet and under. To see if you qualify, contact us on our website or give us a call at 217-899-0091 and ask about our premium mowing services using push mowers only.